Hello everyone, I want to talk to you about the upcoming TLJ 2.0 event taking place from the 15th to the 17th of November this year. I'm Umberto Maggiore, I'm a transplant nephrologist from Parma, Italy. TLJ is meant to build a network triggering collaboration, exchange and discussion on highly relevant topics in transplantation with the final aim of developing consensus papers in the upcoming months. Consensus papers are particularly relevant for those areas of clinical research in which there is a lack of evidence-based knowledge to guide clinical practice, as is the case of our own topic, the topic of workstream number 3, namely, what are the changes in immunosuppressive therapy that can currently be recommended to solid organ transplant recipients who have been cured for solid cancers and PTLD. We urgently need your opinion on this. We encourage each one of you to attend TLJ this November and achieve a great goal together. So see you there. Bye-bye.